Chris Aaron's here with a Cammando lock. I borrowed this from the Helpful Lock Picker. He did a video on this lock and I thought it was pretty interesting. So he asked if I wanted him to send it to me, let me check it out. So of course I was like, absolutely. And he also sent me this, the key mark. There we go. And an American lock. He's wanting the core out, and I'm still working on that one, buddy. I ain't getting nowhere with that one. It's wearing me out. But I'm gonna do this one here, and I'm gonna try to do it in hand. I've been trying to practice more in hand picking. And well, let me show y'all how it works first, and then I'll get into that. So, but check this out on Helpful Lock Picker's video. There's the bitting, and what you do is you can turn it left or turn it right, and it opens the lock. You spin the shackle 180, then you turn it to the left, take it out. You center it up, can't put it back together. Each way works. The right works the top locking ball, left works the bottom locking ball. So each way works the locking ball. And you also have to have this thing, if you don't have it just right, the key's not going to turn. You got to have it in the right spot. Too far in, it won't turn. What'd I do? What did I mess something up? Uh-oh. There we go. No. Uh-oh. What in the world did I do? Alright. That way. That way. There we go. Okay. So you turn it to the left. You got to stick the shackle in. Then you have to turn it. It's locked all the way to the right. Still locked. Then you can close that. Alright. There we go. Scared me. Alright. Now then. Let me take this, and I'm going to try to do it in hand. And another reason why I want to do it in hand is I thought about, what if picking one of these in the wild, how does that work? And I am terrible at picking in hand. So, alright, let me zoom in. I'll start the back of the lock and see if we can get in here. And this is we'll click on 5. Nice, fun pick. 4 at a click. Click on 2. Because I believe there's serrations in here. We'll click on 5, 4, 2, 3, little click. 5. Nothing on 1 at all this whole time. Alright, there was 1 a little bit. click on 3. Another click on 3. Click on 1. Now 1's binding. Alright, open on 1. So now, let me zoom it back out. It's open. So we have to turn 180 and get wrench back, locked up. Then you gotta hold it at a certain, you gotta hold it at 180. I'm gonna try, there we go. Let's see if that'll work. I just wanted to try holding it. Alright, goes back of the lock. Now we gotta go to the left. We'll click on 3, 2. There's a click on 1. So the binding order changes. Because 1 was my last one to settle the first time. Now I already have 1 set. That's 5. We'll click on 4 and brushed it. We'll click on 1. This really is a fun pick. It definitely ain't no master lock or nothing. This is pretty sure there's some serrations in here. There it goes. Alright, so now we got to find that little sweet spot. I think it's open. Ain't turning though. So maybe I don't have it all the way. Alright, let's see if there's something else. Sure felt like it turned. Maybe a spool in there or something. Back one must have dropped. I can't get my pick back here. Come on. There we go. Alright, so it must be a spool in that back one maybe. Alright, so now it is there. So we got it open. That is really cool. And I'm not going to pick it closed. So there it is. Open both ways. Let me put that back on there. Ring fell off. There it is. Alright, there is the Cammando picked open in hand. Really interesting. Yep, there is some. Let's see. Yep. Key pin has got a serration on there, so there's some serrations in there. Alright, well that's all I got today. Just wanted to show this off, and pretty neat little setup. I really think that if they did like a double shear line and had two cut keys, one works left, one works right, that'd be kind of tough there to pick if they did something like that. But that's all I got here. Thank you, Helpful Lock Picker, for this lock. Y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll do my best to get that key mark opened up for you, at least to control. I'd like to do a video on it, but you know, I don't know, that's a tough one. All right, well, y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless.